Okay, you guys, I wanted to do this real quick video. Okay, this is a baby bodysuit for winter. You guys, I got this for a penny. 1 cent at Dollar General, you guys. How cute is that? This is, I think 6 to 9 months. Yep. And it got like a little, this is the hoodie. I guess that's like a little bear. It's kind of cute. This is the back. The back is plain. The original price was $10. You guys, and I got this for a penny at Dollar General. And we're going to see what we can do with this penny. So with that being said, we'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm finished. This is what we're rocking with for a penny. Yes, for a penny. Ain't that cute? Well, with that being said, I'll see y'all later.